The scientist does not study nature because it is useful, he studies it because he delights in it, and he delights in it because it is beautiful. Henri Poincaré. These words resonate deeply with anyone who has ever been captivated by the wonders of the natural world. The beauty of nature is not just in its grand vistas, but also in its minute details. There's a certain allure to intricate details, to the interconnectedness of life. The delicate structure of a spider's web, the symbiotic relationships within a forest ecosystem, and the diverse flora and fauna along a riverbank all tell stories of complexity and interdependence. We find beauty not just in simplicity, but also in the elegant complexity that underpins our universe. The fractal patterns in nature, from the branching of trees to the spirals of shells, reveal a hidden order that is both intricate and mesmerizing. Consider the delicate dance of a bee collecting pollen, a process involving countless interactions at the microscopic level. Each movement, each interaction is a testament to the complex choreography of life, or the vast network of galaxies, each a swirling mass of stars, gas, and dust. These cosmic structures are not just random collections of matter, but are governed by the same fundamental laws that dictate the behavior of the smallest particles. These are not merely random occurrences, but rather manifestations of complex systems governed by intricate laws. Scientists, through their observations and simulations, strive to uncover these laws and understand the underlying principles that shape our universe. This inherent complexity is not something to be feared or simplified. Instead, it should be embraced as a source of wonder and inspiration. The swirling currents of a river, the intricate patterns in nature, and the complex diagrams that scientists create all point to a deeper understanding of the world around us. Instead, it should be embraced as a source of wonder and inspiration. When we look at nature with awe, whether it's children exploring a forest or a group admiring a natural wonder, we are reminded of the beauty and complexity that surrounds us. For within this complexity lies a deeper truth about the nature of reality, a truth that challenges us to expand our understanding and appreciate the intricate tapestry of life. The deep forests, the vibrant underwater ecosystems, and the diverse terrains of mountain ranges all hold secrets waiting to be discovered. A truth that challenges us to expand our understanding and appreciate the intricate tapestry of life. The interconnected roots of trees, the detailed structures of coral reefs, and the intricate networks of tree branches all serve as reminders of the complexity and beauty of the natural world. By delving into these complexities, we not only gain a deeper appreciation for nature, but also for the intricate systems that govern our own existence. Perhaps the most striking example of complexity is found within our own skulls. The human brain, a marvel of biological engineering, is an organ that continues to baffle and amaze scientists and lay people alike. It is a 3-pound mass of astonishing intricacy, housing a network of billions of neurons connected by trillions of synapses. This labyrinthine network is responsible for every thought, memory, and emotion we experience. Imagine the brain as a dense forest where each tree represents a neuron. These neurons are not isolated, they are connected by a vast web of synapses, much like the intricate roots and branches of trees that intertwine and communicate with each other. This network is so complex that if you were to count each synapse at a rate of 1 per second, it would take you over 30 million years to finish. Each neuron, a tiny information processor, communicates with others through a complex system of electrical and chemical signals. These signals are the language of the brain, allowing it to process information at incredible speeds. When you touch a hot stove, for instance, the neurons in your skin send a rapid signal to your brain, which then processes the information and sends a signal back to your muscles to pull your hand away. This intricate network allows us to perform an astounding array of tasks, from basic motor functions to abstract thought and creative expression. It enables us to learn new skills, adapt to new environments, and solve complex problems. The brain's ability to rewire itself, known as neuroplasticity, is what allows stroke victims to regain lost functions and children to learn multiple languages with ease. We can compose symphonies, unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, and experience the full spectrum of human emotion, all thanks to this remarkable organ. The brain's capacity for creativity and innovation is unparalleled. It allows us to dream, to imagine, and to create art that moves the soul. It enables scientists to make groundbreaking discoveries and engineers to build technologies that transform our world. Yet, despite decades of research, the brain remains one of the most enigmatic frontiers of science. We have made significant strides in understanding its basic functions, but many mysteries still elude us. How does consciousness arise from mere electrical impulses? What is the nature of memory, and how is it stored? These are questions that continue to challenge neuroscientists and philosophers alike. Its sheer complexity continues to challenge our understanding, reminding us that even within ourselves there are vast realms yet to be explored. The brain is not just an organ, it is a universe unto itself, full of uncharted territories and hidden wonders. As we continue to explore this final frontier, we are reminded of the boundless potential that lies within each of us, waiting to be discovered. The human brain is but one example of a complex system, a marvel of nature that operates with a level of sophistication that we are only beginning to understand. It is composed of billions of neurons, each connected to thousands of others, forming an intricate network that processes information, generates thoughts, and controls our actions. This concept of complexity pervades every level of organization in the natural world. From the grand scale of ecosystems that span continents to the microscopic interactions within a single cell, complexity is a fundamental characteristic of life. Within a single cell, countless biochemical reactions occur simultaneously, each one influencing the others in a delicate balance. The cell's machinery operates with precision, ensuring that it grows, divides, and responds to its environment in a coordinated manner. In an ecosystem, the interconnected web of life is even more apparent. Plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms all interact in a complex dance, each playing a role in maintaining the balance of the environment. Complexity is the rule, not the exception. Whether it's a forest teeming with life or a coral reef bustling with activity, these systems are characterized by their intricate interdependencies. These systems are characterized by a high degree of interconnectedness, where the behavior of one part can influence the whole in unpredictable ways. The roots of trees, for example, form vast networks underground, sharing nutrients and information. Similarly, the coordinated movements of a flock of birds or an ant colony demonstrate how individual actions can lead to emergent behaviors that are greater than the sum of their parts. A change in the population of a single species, for example, can have far-reaching consequences. The removal of a top predator like a wolf can lead to an overpopulation of herbivores, which in turn can decimate plant life and alter the entire landscape. These changes ripple through the entire food web, affecting not just the immediate prey and predator, but also other species that rely on the same resources. The cascading effects can be profound and are often difficult to predict. The seasonal changes in a forest or the dynamic interactions within a river ecosystem are prime examples of how complex systems operate. Each element, from the smallest insect to the largest tree, plays a role in the overall health and stability of the environment. Understanding these complex systems is crucial for addressing some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity. Scientists and researchers are constantly exploring these intricate networks to uncover the underlying principles that govern their behavior. From climate change to pandemics, many of the problems we face are the result of our interactions with these intricate natural systems. The melting of glaciers, for instance, is not just a symptom of global warming, but also a trigger for further environmental changes. Our actions, whether intentional or not, have a profound impact on these systems. By planting trees, cleaning up beaches, and making sustainable choices, we can help to restore balance and protect the delicate web of life that sustains us all. One of the most remarkable aspects of complex systems is their ability to adapt and maintain stability in the face of change. Over millions of years, species have evolved intricate adaptations that allow them to thrive in their particular environments. Take, for instance, the camouflage of a chameleon, allowing it to blend seamlessly with its surroundings, or the migratory patterns of birds, navigating thousands of miles to find food and breeding grounds. These adaptations are not merely coincidences, but rather testament to the power of natural selection. This constant interplay between stability and change is what drives the evolution of life on Earth. Complex systems are not static entities, but rather dynamic processes, constantly adapting and evolving in response to internal and external pressures. Complexity is not chaos, and it is the language of nature. Understanding it allows us to engage wisely, responsibly, and creatively. A new renaissance is here, grounded in interdisciplinary insight, systems thinking, and philosophical depth. If you're interested in more topics like this, follow my work on YouTube, where I explore themes such as complexity theory, systems thinking, nature, and the philosophy of science.